Yes, yes. So this is our ventilator. There is a device failure as per our user. So first, once you will receive like this issue, you should do a sensor test. So at least we know what is the issue. So you're familiar with already the ventilator. This is the ventilator. This is using for our ICU ventilated patient. So mostly this one is we are using in the intensive care unit and the long-term care unit for the patient which is need to support the breath for the ventilator. So first, when we arrive our machine from the user, we will just check first to confirm what they are telling about this error. Device failure is very common words for this ventilator. So first, we will do our own test for the system check. So here we can see what is the failure because there is so many parameters that they will test that it will tell you that this device is failed.
Similar to the defibrillator.
Defibrillator is different because the defibrillator is different procedure how to check. But there is also a system check. The system check of the ventilator, this is in the procedure, there is a daily check there. You just turn on the machine, put in the basic check, then select the daily. I will teach you also this one.
What are the devices that have self?
Almost all now, all devices now is almost there is a basic check of the machine. Basic check to check the machine if this one working fine or no. But the old machine, no. You should check by your own. But this one, there's already parameters that you need to check. For example, this one here is. They will check the blower, they will check the auto flow sensor, they will check the inspiratory pressure sensor, this expiratory sensor test, they will check, expiratory valve test, they will check at the back. So there is also safety valve test. Safety valve test is also there in the gases, and there is also a leakage test from this all hoses, this patient tubings, and there's also they will check also the compliance of the leaking, the compliance of the ventilator, how the leak compensation is the compliance if it's acceptable or no. So there's also circuit resistance. If there is no blockage or something, they will check also. And the mostly that is oxygen sensor test. So now, see, they are they are telling that the patient that this ventilator is they have a device failure. So device failure, we don't know what is that. Now we will find that the device failure, the cause of the auto sensor, auto sensor test. So this is the failure that they are telling. It's auto sensor only. All is pass, only except the oxygen sensor. So then after this one that you will ready the verify, you should go to exit. You don't need to retry. Exit and go to calibration. Go to system. System check. Where? Skip. So we'll go to, where's that? Set up. Then sensor. Make a calibration for the CO2, oxygen. Auto oxygen. Calibrate. Auto calibration. So start. Now it will calibrate the machine by its. But see, calibration is failure. So what you will do? We need to change the oxygen cell. Just wait, I will check if I have oxygen cell. So the problem of this one is the oxygen cell. So what you will do, you change the oxygen cell. This is the oxygen cell monitoring the oxygen cell, oxygen of the. See here, there is already open here. So you change it. You will change. I will teach you. Just release this one. I will open this one. Give me this sensor.
Should I take this off?
Yeah, open. Then
Okay.
yeah, just pull out. Pull. Aywa. Then remove this one. The wire. There is a no. This one. See,
Okay.
you can remove this one. Yeah, press and pull the cable.
Okay.
Then unscrew counterclockwise. Counter. Like this. Kaya. Now you change the new one. Okay. Then connect the wire. There is a guide. Yeah, this side. The guide is this side. Yeah, this side.
Okay.
Okay. Then push it back. More. Yeah. Then put this cover.
Maybe the opposite.
Yeah, like this one. Boy, mapik ko yun.
I can.
Yeah, just put up. No, it's okay.
Loose.
Broke already the lock. Okay, no problem. It's already break the lock. So now, you go to again, once you will change new oxygen cell sensor, you should calibrate in the maintenance. So go to setup, maintenance, then service. What's the password this one? 1118. Enter. Then calibrate. Now here, there are so many parameters for calibration. Flow calibration, pressure, auto calibration, air auto, expiratory valve calibration. We will select the auto calibration. Then start. Then it will calibrate for this one.
What's the difference between this calibration?
There is two type of calibration. One is in the user, one is in the maintenance. So for example, if this you did not change the auto, you need only the difference of the auto is very far. Like for example, you will set 50 and you also only get 35, 45. So that time you need to calibrate the oxygen auto sensor in the user side. Once you will replace the new oxygen cell, you should calibrate in the service calibration, not in the user.
And this test is enough for now. We don't
Yeah.
need to again.
Yeah, no need. We need only to finish this calibration. Once it will show you it will pass, then meaning the ventilator is ready to use.
The other piece in
What, what do you mean?
there's another piece in the
Nah, this one is the another. This one is there is some model that they are using the adapter. This is only adapter. For example, in the other model, other
here.
no, in that the one you put, you just only screw this one here. Screw, and then you only push. It will lock only. But this one, you need to remove this one and screw. But the another type of this one, another type of the ventilator is they are using for this one. But this ventilator, we are not using this adapter. This is only adapter for this one.
No, we don't need this. Right?
Hmm? No need this one. It's already finished. No problem. Take it. But this sensor is composed of liquid. Liquid. No. This one is there is this inside. So there is a liquid. There's so many types of oxygen cell. There is electronic. There is is composed of liquid to monitor to detect the oxygen. But this type is liquid. See, before when we calibrate, it was only how many seconds it will fail. Now it will go to long process.
This starts with
Yeah, because we don't know the user. Because the user just only bring down the machine, they put the paper, machine failure. So actually, we don't know what's the failure. What is the parts that it was failed. So we need to check the basic check.
how do you know the password?
Hmm?
How do you know the password for the devices?
What do you mean?
When you enter this hint, sometimes it needs to enter a password. How do you know?
We have a copy of the old password of the machine. So it's very important from us once they will deliver the new machine, they should know the password. For example, password for this one
From the company.
from the company, they will provide. So now it's green, calibration completed, meaning it's okay. We will see. So we'll go to set up again and we will do calibration, sensor, calibrate, auto. No, we are not going to that one. So we just only go to the basic check. No, no, not this one. So we'll go to the system check. The setup and the system check is different. So system check, once you will go to the system check, just continue. Then we will check if this auto sensor test it will pass. So now they're checking already the oxygen photo sensor test. Just we will wait. So after this one, we will check another one. So this one is we have an internal failure. So this one, I think there is an issue of the proportional valve. So this one we will open. We will change the internal parts.
How's this device print?
Hmm?
Does this device print?
No, this one we are not requiring to print out. We did that, there is no printer for this device. But you can get through USB. For example, if the doctor wants the trend of the patient for overnight, we can take it by the USB and print in the external.
It shows the signal.
Yeah, you can also. The trend, the graph, you can also print. So here, it was already passed. So meaning, machine is ready to use. So we just, after that one, you finish basic check, all is passed. We need to check the tidal volume. If this accurate or no. If, so we are using the simulator. This is our simulator of our test of our lungs. So this is a test lung. This is only used for checking only the accuracy of our machine. So we just go to start ventilation. So our parameters is what 490. The tidal volume is 490. The frequency is 10. The inspiratory time is 2.0. The PIP is 3. So we can adjust this one, no problem. We can adjust to. But we should go to up ventilation first, standby, before you can adjust the parameters. You cannot adjust, this ventilator is you cannot adjust during the start of the patient, in the patient mode. So you should go to the standby and adjust the parameters. For example, 500. This is 12. This, I will put this one is 40. Then start. I will put this at 0. Here you can see is our settings. This is the settings of our the doctor's settings. This one. That is the value of your setting is this one. All is here is the result, the value. For example, I set 500. See, my tidal volume is 500, so it will use 487 or 88. Will go to up after how many breaths? Just wait for how many breaths? Maybe 5 to 10 breaths. Just wait, and it will change your tidal volume to more or less 590, 490, 510. It will vary only that settings. It should be your setting is 500. Maybe your tidal volume should be result should be 490, and the lowest and the maximum is 510. If more than 510, 20, you should calibrate the flow sensor. But this time, this one no need because it's already 493 after how many breaths? So our also frequency is the frequency is the time, how many time you breathe in 1 minute. So our setting is 12. Our also reading is 12. So our if I auto we set it into 40. Now this is 40 also because we changed new one. So this it is CO2 we are not using because we are not using the CO2. So if our PIP is set is 0, PIP is off, should be also 0. Now this one is working now. Fine. So you already replaced the auto cell. Now we will go to the another one. This one you can reset the all before we replace the auto, the log sheet of that machine, the one log sheet of the error, it will appear in our alarm system. Because when you review what is the alarm of this machine, we can see it here. Before you replace the oxygen cell, you can see the log sheet here. This what is the error? Auto sensor unconnected. Please replace auto sensor. Please replace. This is the log sheet. Now you already replace the auto sensor, so you need to reset this one. Just make it reset. It will go alarm. So no more alarm in your ventilator. So this one, that's it. You can already give to the user to use to the patient. Meaning, from our side, machine is working fine and ready to use to the patient.
Machine has also
OR is different. We are using OR this one, anesthesia machine. Ventilator anesthesia machine. Anesthesia with the ventilator. So after I will, before you will finish your training here, I will give you the training for the anesthesia machine. First, I will give you first the ventilator. So you have how many weeks? 1 week only remaining
oh,
this week. Okay. So just start up and turn off this one. We will do the another one because another one we have an issue for this. This one is we will read it to use and to the patient. We will return to the user. So next we have this one. I think we have an issue for this one is the
does it work without plugging the
yeah, it will work without plugging this power because there is a battery this one. Now the battery backup of this one is 120 minutes, so almost 2 hours. But if your machine is long time not using it, the battery will deteriorate also. So same thing, just turn on, connect this one. Connect this one.
turn the
Just do it. Do the basic check. Yeah, that one. Class. Then do basic check. So we will check what is the error for this machine. So there is error already once you already start. So auto flow sensor test failure. So one issues is the oxygen flow sensor test fail. So once you will fail It's working? Okay, yeah. What happened?
Stops.
Just wait. Okay. Kalas. Yeah. Okay. Two more at the down, yeah. Now it's okay?
Maybe this I need to enter, or is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Yeah, this one is okay. That's okay. Now, you will connect the wire that we remove. We have one wire we remove here. Just connect. Okay. One more there. The fan. This is the one, this one. This one. Yeah. Then, what else? Okay. That all. Kalas?
No.
Still two remaining?
3.
Yeah. So there's a technique for this one because
We don't have here. Maybe we ask them when we check with the if it is okay, the user can be I sent you already.
good.
It needs to be clean.
Hmm? So what else? This one. Put return it back.
This side will be
Here's a
sliding
guide.
like
Okay.
this.
This one, return it back.
It's sliding.
Like that.
Yeah. I think it's okay. Because it's for few seconds only.
Yeah,
Take it
it's only to take it
one room to another room like that. The idea is okay.
Use this one for tightening.
It's,
Tight.
unlike the other one, it's fine.
Okay, bas.
Because
Return this power cord.
over there,
Yeah. You know, idea. Most don't say the patient will be normal weight or heavy.
yes, different
You will, after that
Screw.
procedure, patient should be relaxed. Not should be.
not like this
Yeah.
one.
So I need this thing.
I will inform you.
Oh.
So now,
Okay, sir. It's okay.
okay.
So,
We can use that one, no problem.
yeah, sure. Your monitors are just maybe for the meantime you will.
Yeah, according to Smuye, Keep it for the meantime.
Keep it, sir. Keep it for the
Is there
meantime.
another one?
Let us.
For color
There's a
printer
guide
ink,
here.
color printer ink.
Like
Yes.
like
And
that.
then justification mentioned. I send her pictures
Then
of
twist
all
to
ink
counter.
pictures of
Clockwise.
Okay.
Clockwise. Yeah, you are. Kalas.
That's also.
Once you heard the click, okay, that's it. Also that one, there's a guide.
What is the use of all items? You can use
Should
general name.
give me like that.
The justification remarks. Put all the details.
Aywa. Then counter. Good. It's okay. Now you will keep it there in the trolley. So we can test. Okay. Putting, no need to push this one. Just put in the hole. And there is a hole here. Okay. Now it's okay. Now plug in the wall. Need force. If you will put need force, just make it like this. Now it's okay. Kalas. Other side. And now you did start again the calibration. Basic check. Okay. Now before we have an issue for this one, huh? Now pass already. So we will see the oxygen cell is pass or no. Now it's all pass, see? All is green. We will wait for the auto oxygen. Now see, fail, sir. But we already passed here.
This means
We need to calibrate. So you just go to calibration.
from here.
Yeah. No, not that one. It's a sit up. Go to auto calibration and start. We'll make calibration 2 times. If this one will not pass, we need to change the oxygen sensor.
So we do the calibration from here when we change the
Yeah, of course.
sensor. And we do from here before changing.
Yeah.
Okay.
We will just wait for that one calibration. See now? Calibration completed, green. So meaning our oxygen is okay. Now you will check again in the basic check. Other side, other one. Then continue. If this test is passed, now meaning it's our oxygen cell is okay. See now, after you calibrate, the sensor test is already passed. So now it's okay. Machine is already returned to good working condition. Now you should go to patient ventilation. Use the test lang. Okay. Set the test lang. Set the tidal volume. Alas. Change the tidal volume to 500.
That's one.
Aywa. Just press. Then adjust there. This one adjust. Make it 500. Okay. Then pause. Aywa. Then change it to 12. Aywa. Then start ventilation mode.
It's not necessarily the
This is the normal settings for the basic. This is our setup for as a biomed. No. Cancel. Escape. You already finished that one. Okay. Cancel. No. Can escape. Okay. Just start ventilation. So this is your settings. So just increase the oxygen to 40. This is 21% only. Just adjust to 40. So we will see the oxygen is okay. Adjust this one.
from here.
Yeah, adjust this one. Touch. Then adjust. Put in 40. Aywa, then press. Okay. Alas. 40 settings, it should be here.
We need to do this through the process or before.
No, you can do it in the through the process for this one and this one, but tidal volume you cannot.
This one and this one?
Yeah, this one and this one. Peep.
Okay.
You can adjust. You can make it 0 this one, no problem. But this tidal volume, some ventilator can be, but this ventilator I think cannot. So now see, 500, 501, 12, 12. Our oxygen, if IO2 is 44, 40. Leave them run, it will come to 40. So now it's okay. Only like that. Now you already successful install the parts for this machine. Sa?
Yeah. Then.
Done.